Hello everyone, welcome to another OfficeLogix video. Today, we are going to show you how to install our Herman Miller Aeron headrest, disassemble and reassemble the lower connection bolt, as well as disassemble and reassemble the upper connection. Let's go! Start by inserting the metal hook into the track to the bracket. Now, just slide the headrest onto the chair. You should slide the headrest from either side. Trying to insert it from the middle might damage your headrest, so please be aware. Note how the headrest is perfect in its place, as it should be. If the hook is not inserted properly into the bracket, the headrest will be loose, so make sure to pay attention to this important detail. To disassemble the lower connection bolt, remove the bolt and the headrest as shown. You can use the bolt to remove the gear if it is stuck. To reassemble, insert the gear all the way in. It's important for the gear to be inserted all the way in according to the specific pattern inside the gear. It might take you a few attempts to get it right. Insert the bolts in the gears. Here, we removed the plastic cap to have access to the nut, which should be in its place. While keeping a constant pressure on the nut, insert the spring and secure the headrest. Put on the plastic cap and you're ready to go. To disassemble the upper connection, start by removing the bolts. Once the bolts are removed, take the headrest out. It is essential to keep the spine in a vertical position to prevent the nuts from falling down. If they accidentally fall down, return them to their designated place as shown. Next, hook the plastic gears onto the rings while paying attention to the exact orientation as shown in the video. An incorrect orientation will prevent the headrest from functioning properly. Finally, mount the headrest and reinsert the bolts. And this is it! Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest reviews and tutorials. If you wish to get your own Herman Miller Aeron headrest, please visit our website, OfficeLogixShop.com.